Hey you guys, today we are in Margate City, New Jersey. We are checking out Lucy the elephant, a famous one of the many famous New Jersey attractions. How much?
$8.
What?
Yeah, so it's not worth it.
Are you kidding me? They're really going to be doing that stuff? Wow. Alright, so I guess we can just walk around and check it out. Not go inside because they want too much money. This place was built in 1881 here in Margate. I forget exactly where it was exactly built, but it was moved because of corporate greed having to build a hotel not too far from here. Yep, all because corporate greed. And I've actually been here when I was a little kid. It was really cool. It was really cool place to be and go to. It's really nice. It's a really cool place to explore and stuff. Well, it's alright. Maybe we'll come back here another time and we'll actually go inside of the place. And actually, this is a short video for now. Just take a look at Lucy the elephant. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And also put any questions or comments in the comment section below, or what you think of this place, or share or tell me if you have been here and share your experience. So that's it, you guys. Have a nice day.